Good morning, student. Yes, for the GK period, children, we have started our third number unit, that is the environment, world and its people. Right? So in the previous period of GK, we have completed the page number 52 and 53. Okay, so today we are going to, page, yes, 52 and 53. So today we are going to continue with the page number 60. 60. Yes, children. So what is there? Everyone, you will open your textbook, GK textbook, page number 60, and we are going to solve that page. Yes, children. So this page number 60 is related to the capital city. It is given, first we have to identify the cities, then we have to identify the capital cities, and then even the currency also. But before starting this all, before solving this all, we will first see the information about it. In the first question, children, the explanation is given and we have to identify the city. But before that, what is meant by a city? See, children, here. A city is a large human settlement. It can be defined as a permanent and densely settled place with administratively defined boundaries whose members work primarily on non-agricultural tasks. Cities generally have extensive systems for housing, transportation, sanitation, utilities, land use and communication. Okay? So it means, in short, children, a city is a large human settlement where a group of human beings are living. It is a permanent, densely settled place. Okay. Now here, the first question is, name the city. Everyone, you will open your textbook, page number 60. Name the cities. See here, which European capital city, once divided by a wall, is now united? Children, it is a city which is once divided by the wall and is now united. What is given? What is the name of the city? B dash dash L-I-N. What is the name of the city? Which European capital city, once divided by a wall, is now united? And that city is dash B dash dash L-I-N. The city is Berlin. So we'll write down B-E-R L-I-N. It's a Berlin. Next is, in which capital city would one see the gate of heavenly peace? It is a capital city where we can see the gate of heavenly peace. And the answer is B dash dash J dash dash G. What is the name of the city? It is Beijing. So we'll write B-E-I-J-I-N-G. It's Beijing. Third number, which capital city is known as the city of seven hills? Which capital city is known as the city of seven hills? So what is the capital city which is known as the seven hills? See, the letters are given. Only first letter is given, that is R dash dash dash. So what is the answer for it? It is Rome. So R-O-M-E. Fourth number, which capital city is named after the country's first president? Which capital city is named after the country's first president? and the letters are W dash SH dash dash GTON DC. So which capital city, the name given by the president of its city? What is the answer? It's Washington, and the letters are W A S H I N GTON DC. Then fifth, which capital city of a country in North America gets its name from the country it is in? M dash X dash 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 city. One more time I will read. Which capital city of a country in North America gets its name from the country is it in? And the answer is Mexico. MEXICO. It's Mexico City. Yes, children, write down the answers. Have you completed? Shall I erase this? Yes. Now we'll move on to the next question. Before that, we'll see some information about capital city. What is meant by capital or capital city, children? A capital or capital city is the municipality exercising primary status in a country, state, province or other administrative region, usually as its seat of government. Children, the capital city means the city which governs all the state or all the country. It is usually a seat of government. Okay. Now in the next question we have to identify some capital cities also. With that we have to identify the currency of that country also. Now what is meant by currency, children? Currency is a medium of exchange for goods and services. Currency is a medium for what, children? Suppose we have to exchange for goods and services. In short, it's a money in the form of paper or coins, usually issued by government and generally accepted at its face value as a method of payment. Children, currency, in short, currency, it is a money. Currency means it is money which is made up of paper or coins. But this currency or this money which is made up of paper or coins, which is issued by the government. If government allows this, then only we can use the currency. Okay. So which is issued by the government and generally accepted at its face value as a method of payment. Now children, on the currency there are numbers written. Maybe it is coin, maybe it is note. Numbers are written, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 50 rupees, 1000 rupees, like that. So that is the face value and it is the method of its payment. So have you understood the city, capital city and the currency? Okay. Now in the question number B, we have to write the name of the capital city and the currency under each national flag. Here children, the national flags are given. So below that the name of the country is also given. What we have to do is we have to write the capital city of that country and then we have to write its currency also. Okay. Yes. So the first one, national flag, is of Spain. What is the country? It is Spain. Okay. Now we have to write its capital city and currency. So what is the capital of the Spain? What is the capital city of the Spain? It is Madrid. What is it? Is Madrid. Madrid. So we'll write down here. Madrid, and its currency is Euro. EURO. Next is Italy. What is the next city? Is Italy. And what is the capital for it? What is the capital city of the Italy? It is Rome. ROME. And what is the currency? It is also Euro. EURO. Okay, children. Have you wrote? The third number is Afghanistan. So what is the capital for the Afghanistan? It is Kabul. So we'll write KABUL, Kabul. And its currency is Afghani. AFGHANI. The next country is Thailand. It is Thailand. So what is the capital city of it? It is Bangkok. BANGKOK. And the currency is Baht. BAHT. Write it properly. It is BANGKOK. And the currency is Baht. Now next city is Brazil. So what is the capital of the Brazil? It is Brasilia. BRASILIA. And the currency is real. The currency is real. Now next is the Singapore. And what is the capital city for the Singapore? It is Singapore City. SINGAPORE SITY, Singapore City. And currency for it is Singapore dollar. SINGAPORE Singapore. And Singapore dollar. DOLLAR. Okay, children. So these are the name of the capital cities and their currency. Isn't it? We wrote that. Now children, here did you know column is given. What is given? Did you know? What is given in that column? We'll see. Sometimes capitals change. Sometimes the capitals change. How? See here. Once upon a time, Calcutta, now the spelling for it is KOLKATA, Kolkata, was the capital of India. But now it is New Delhi. Before New Delhi, for sometimes Kolkata is there, capital of India, and now it is New Delhi. Next is Rio de Janeiro was the capital of Brazil. Now it is Brasilia. It means India capital is changed, Brazil's capital is changed. Next is Karachi was the capital of Pakistan, but now it is Islamabad. After that, Melbourne was the capital city of Australia, but now it is Canberra. Again, Frankfurt was the capital of Germany, and now it is Berlin. It means, children, sometimes the capital may changes. These are some examples of the changing in the capital city of the country. Okay, children. So in this way, today we have completed the third number unit, page number 60 only, which is related to the city, capital city and currency of the country. So have you understood? Yes, children. Still, if you have any doubts, any queries, you will ask me by mail. My mail ID is ivbct@pratibhaintschool.org. So I hope you have understood this all page. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Have a good day.